Hey, how's everyone doing today? So I just picked up another product that I think you guys will really like. It comes in really handy in the car, especially if you have kids. It'll help keep your car a little bit more detailed. You know, spills do happen. You know, so if you don't have leather especially, this will come in really handy. So let me go ahead and share what I just picked up. So if you guys have kids, you know that keeping your car clean sometimes can be a chore, especially cars like this has suede in it. It's a little bit more delicate as far as the clean, and you don't want to get stains on it. And if you have material, it's even harder to clean. So I just picked up this child seat protector. It's from 3D Mats. It's a great quality. I love their products. Very simple to install. A lot of companies make these, but I like this because it's durable, it's not super thick, and it adds a lot of grip to the car seat, which is important for safety. So here's what it looks like. You just unroll it. Has a nice little mesh pocket here. You can hold stuff. And it has a nice texture, which, like I said, is very important because you don't want to get one that's slippery, because then it's not safe. The car seat will slide around underneath it. And this actually provides more grip than my actual leather seats do. And it's really easy. It just slips on over. Easy to clean if they spill something. So let me go ahead and install it, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like here. So if you see here, and like I said, this will flatten out. It's just been folded up. But it loops over the headrest here, and you can cinch it up depending on what car you're using it in. It has a little buckle there. And it has the cutouts for the seat belts, which is nice. And then this pocket here, so you can store stuff. But it protects the whole seat, the back, the bottom, and then even on the face of the cushion. And then something like this that you have suede, this will do a great job because it's a pain to clean that kind of stuff, and sometimes you can't. Then you get the debris and the little perforations there. So it's very simple. I always recommend this if you guys have kids. It'll protect your car. And then something like this is super light, the booster seat. But if you guys have the heavier duty car seats, like the rear facing ones, they will leave indentation. So this will help to minimize that as well. So it's always important too. But you see it protects the whole entire seat. And it's not this huge piece of plastic, very streamlined, very easy to clean around when you clean your car. And like I said, it's grippy, which is important. You don't want to get one that's slippery because, like I said, in the event of accident, the car seat will have a tendency to want to slide if it's slick. So definitely pay attention to the material it's made out of. But overall, I like it a lot. Like I said, I like their products. They're designed well. It'll do a great job keeping your car cleaner. You know, I've always used one, and it's a lot easier to clean my car and to maintain it. And I don't have any stains in it. You know, and my kids do eat and drink in my car. So I find that these little things that you can put in your car to help with the maintenance of it goes a long way. Because I really don't enjoy cleaning my car all the time. So this makes it a lot easier. So if you guys are interested, check out the 3D Mats website. Pick you one up. It's not expensive, and it does a great job to protect your investment. Okay? So again, I appreciate all you. I really do. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.